In this video, I'll show you how to create a Zap in Zapier. Start by signing into your Zapier account. From the dashboard, click Create, then select Zap. Next, click the trigger step and choose the app that will start your automation. For this example, search for Google Sheets and select New Spreadsheet Row as the trigger. Connect your Google account, then choose a spreadsheet named Customer Orders and select the worksheet Sheet 1. After that, click Continue and test the trigger. Zapier will pull in a sample row from your spreadsheet so you can use it in the next step. Now click the Action step and choose the app that should perform an action. For this example, search for Gmail and select Send Email. Connect your Gmail account. Next, map the fields from your spreadsheet to the email. Use the email column for the recipient, set the subject to your order has been received, and type the following message in the email body. Hi, a name. Thank you for your order. We've received your request and will begin processing it shortly, ***. Finally, click Test step to send a test email. If everything works correctly, click Publish to turn on your Zap. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Zap in Zapier. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.